PLC class 5 in review, just English versions. So guys, everyone active live. Just I am wait 2 minutes for everyone joining the live. So guys, we are silently only 2 minutes. After I will start my class. Guys, our time already ended 2 minutes. Let's start the class. This is LSPLC. It's Master K120S series. This PLC model is K7M DR20O. I talked it again. Please listen to me carefully. Just wait. Hi dear all, this is LSPLC. It's Master K120S series brand and LS. So guys, this PLC model is K7M DR20U. So this PLC input, digital input is 12 and output 8. So guys, total input output point is 20. So difference type of PLC LS Master K120S series. This LS PLC series, another series is XGB, XGK, XGI, XGR. So guys, this Master K120S series just one software for programming create. This software name is Casual Win. I am now class 5 in PLC. Just I taught you PLC class 5 where the bangla it's to set to that I want to take to about in class 5 for PLC all discussion. Just wait, please see the page. Logic, this is logic circuit, but logic, what is the logic? This PLC logic work, all PLC logic type and logic work there. What is the logic? The logic is just some maintainly some rules. So logic state, digital system, two type of logic state, such as on, close, high, one, true, and type of two, off, often, low, zero, false. When we are suggest this on, close, high, one, true, then we can remain it's on, load is on, and when load is off then we can remaining that off, open, low, zero, false. These categories type, some categories binary and others categories mixed here. Just 5 type of on and off time. This load by new and load. Basic gate using ladder logic. So AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. I can, you just please see the page. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So we know that just wait guys. This our class in AND gate. At first we are know about AND gate. AND gate means count. It's count word. Just AND gate symbol and AND gate 2 input, output 1, AND gate 2 table and AND gate circuit diagram. So I want to that what is the circuit diagram. This is AND gate circuit diagram. Please see the carefully this way. This is circuit diagram of AND gate. So AND gate AND gate symbol and AND gate truth table. When input A input and B input, two type of input, AND gate and output 1, it's Z. So when input A 1 provided and input B 0 provide, then output is 0. Because this gate is count type to count, so this 0 and 1 when counted, then its result 0. So truth table is showing that the A when A input 1 and B input 0, then Z output is 0. And or A 0 and B 1 input provided, then output 0. When A 0 B 0 input provided, then output 0. So A input and B input output is 1 or high or true. So guys, truth table show that just one position is output high. So this is count type AND gate and circuit diagram. Negative source, A input and B. A input is 1, then A input switch short NC and B input switch NO. So guys, negative source into enter A input provide but not enter B input. So load is disable, not active. So guys, this is circuit not completed. So when last step is I show that A input 1 and B input 1, Z input is 1. So guys, follow the circuit diagram. Minus source, negative source is A input NC, B input NC. The negative source A and B enter voltage provided enter the load. So load is on and full circuit completed. So guys, let's go. We are know that OR gate. OR gate two type input and one type output. A input and B input, Z output. So guys, please know OR gate. OR gate meaning adding, just add. So A input, when A input 1 and B input 0, then output 1, because 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 equal 1. So adding when one input high, then output high. When one input low, one input low, output high. When two input low, output low. When two input high, output high. So guys, please see the truth table. This is adding OR gate truth table. A input 1, B input 0 when provided, then output is high. Or A input 0, B input 1 provided, then output is high. Or A input 0 and B input 0, then output is 0. Or last step, A input 1 and B input 1, then output is high. So guys, OR gate and AND gate, two type of difference type gate. So let's go. We see OR gate circuit diagram. This is minus source, A input and B input and load. When negative source provided the A input 1, then up side A switch NC. So guys, negative source is NC, enter the load. So circuit complete. Now load active. And B negative source enter B, just B NC one terminal indet, never last terminal. So B is stop but A active. So negative source provided A input and enter the load. So circuit completed. When the power provided A0 B1, negative source enter the gate A0 A NO, so not get the load, just under down B side enter the voltage B1 1 NC. So guys, negative source B enter the load, circuit is completed. Just one input high, then circuit is high. So let's go third step, A0 B0. So guys, A0 ANO, B0 BNO. So negative source never provided the load, so load is off. This is low position, load deactivate. So last step, A1 B1 and Z1. Here follow two input is high, output high. So guys, how to possible it, please check the circuit diagram. Negative source, when provide the A is high or NC, switching NC. B is high, switching NC. So guys, two type way provide source. So source two type provide way source in the load. So load is running, circle complete. So we know that AND gate and OR gate. Let's go last step, NOT gate. Is AND gate and OR gate difference type NOT gate. NOT gate is one input, one output. This sample is NOT gate, this truth table is NOT gate, and this circuit diagram is NOT gate. So please carefully the page. When I provide input A 0, then output 1. When I provide input 1, output 0. So guys, this is problem. This is gate, differential type gate, NOT gate. Truth table is follow. A0 input provide, then output 1. A1 provide, then output 0. Let's go to table. Circuit diagram follow. Negative source, when A0 provided, then negative source ANC get the load and active load. When input is high, then output 0. Output output A is NO. So guys, output NO, then not get load voltage, so circuit not completed. We know that this class just follow the ways: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and logic state. Just some rules maintain the logic. Logic mainly work, some rules maintain. After we know that logic state, we know that two type of logic state, such as on, close, high, 1, true, and off, often, low, 0, false. So we know logic state and AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So guys, this was class in PLC 5. So we are today at night, class 5 ended. Today we starting class 6, PLC class 6, or other card repairing or controlling, learn it. So guys, ended the live. Just when I am going to office, then we are live, but never sound, just silent mode. Everyone can good. So goodbye.